Hello everyone, I completed running the 10-day YouTube subscriber campaign, and in this video I will show you the results from this short campaign. As you know, this is a new feature inside YouTube Studio that allows you to grow your subscribers, generate more video views, or drive traffic to your website. And in my previous video I showed you how to set up this campaign. Now this is the campaign that I'm going to focus on. I spent 500 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to $6, and I got 55,000 impressions, 789 views, but most importantly I got 71 new subscribers to my channel. The campaign objective was focusing on generating more subscribers to my channel. Now I showed you, if you click on new promotion here, which is inside the YouTube Studio, you'll be presented with three options: audience growth, which is get more subscriptions, and views, video views, which is focusing just on views, and website visits, which is driving viewers. So I focused on the audience growth. I wanted to check and test how this campaign objective will reflect. All right, so I'm happy with this campaign because I spent just $6 and I get 71 new subscribers. But then in the process of doing this, I actually gain more subscribers than what it's showing over here. All right, so if I click on analytics tab here, I'll be presented with this screen, and if you look at the actual campaign metrics here in terms of growth, I have got 254 new subscribers, which is unbelievable, because although the campaign gained only 71 new subscribers, but then probably my videos were shown outside the campaign as well. I mean, in organic search results and elsewhere, which really drove my subscribers. So the actual result from this campaign is actually 254 subscribers by spending just $6, right? Just going back to the campaign metrics over here. So if I scroll down, you will see that I targeted only India. City-wise is not available here. You cannot target cities for now. Probably in the future, YouTube might come up with this, adding more cities or more geographies. And if I click on Google Ads reporting here, then you can view additional performance metrics for your campaigns in Google Ads. Now if I click here, it will open up the Google Ads dashboard, which is the interface of Google Ads, and it will show me in a very granular way how many clicks I got, how many impressions, what is the CTR, average cost per click, what is the total cost, what is the impressions, conversions. Now conversions is obviously the subscribers, and cost per conversion, and other metrics. Now obviously I can download this here, or I can also schedule this, because the campaign ran from 30th of August to September 10. Make sure this is the correct date here, and I can add this to the dashboard or even save this. Right, so this is actually was a very good campaign, very profitable campaign, if I want to see it that way, wherein I spent just $6 or 500 Indian rupees and I gained actually 254 subscribers. So if you're watching this video, do try out this campaign. This lives inside the YouTube Data Studio or YouTube Studio here. So try it out and let me know how it goes. Thank you.